So sound or nada yoga is one of my absolute favorite parts of the practice. It's actually something that I use regularly, weekly, daily even, as just a way to regulate my nervous system, but also to help me steer myself into the way that I want to be. It's a really useful tool for slipping into states of meditation. It's very calming, and it can also be really helpful with energy and focus. And so in this sound course, I won't just be covering instruments, but I'll also be covering how we can use our voices to calm ourselves, as well as how sound is one of the most useful ways for children to learn. Learning physically, mentally, learning language, numbers, numeracy, and song. So, yeah, hope you'll join me on this course. Cheers.